Discover a private Tennessee retreat where 100 plus acres of rolling hills, mature timber, open pasture, a stocked pond, and abundant wildlife surround a timeless country home. With deer and turkey throughout the property and a 16 by 16 elevated hunting cabin, this is a setting built for recreation, farming, and peaceful country living. The approach begins with a picturesque entrance and long concrete drive leading through the acreage to the home. Inside, hardwood floors, fresh paint, custom built-ins, granite countertops, newer appliances, and a grand staircase give the home a classic feel. 3 fireplaces add warmth and character, including one in the formal dining room. The partially finished basement adds even more usable space with a workshop, gun room, hobby room, full bathroom, and abundant storage. There's also a detached 2-car garage, while the whole house generator, Apollo 100-gallon water tank, MLConnect Fiber Internet, and new roof installed in 2025 provide important modern updates. Outside, the land is the real story. Rolling hills give way to mature timber and open pasture, while the stocked pond creates a peaceful setting for fishing and relaxing. The 16 by 16 elevated hunting cabin adds a dedicated space for enjoying the property's abundant deer and turkey, while the spacious covered porches provide beautiful places to take in the surrounding landscape. Whether you envision this as a forever home, hunting retreat, working farm, or legacy property, this estate offers plenty of possibilities. The seller will also consider selling the home with approximately 5 to 15 acres separately. With 100 plus acres of Tennessee countryside, a timeless home, abundant wildlife, and the privacy to truly make the property your own, this is a rare opportunity to experience country living on your terms.